Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're doing something a little bit different, going back to my home decor. Those of you guys who watched my previous video, we talked a little bit about my chimney and how I am unhappy with how it is. So in the meantime, we're gonna do a little DIY, do it yourself. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be painting my chimney. So I'm gonna be showing you guys everything that I bought really quick, and hopefully it comes out the way that I planned it to come out. If you're new to my channel, my name is Wendy. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you already have been part of the family, thank you so much for supporting me and watching this video. So without further ado, let me get started on showing you guys everything that I bought. Everything I purchased, I did purchase it at Home Depot. We're gonna start with some cheap little paint brushes. I didn't want to spend too much money on it because down the road, I am gonna put stone rock on it. I've heard very good things about this chalk paint and how it makes things look a little rustic. I got two bottles of white paint for my chimney. And then, you know, girl, we like a little bit of glitter. So I did buy this can of glitter. I don't know if it's gonna come out exactly how I expected, but I did get this glitter. So I'm just gonna be brushing on some of the bricks. I'm just gonna kind of like slap it on there, very thin line, to kind of blend and be a little bit shimmer on it. I'm gonna show you guys up close what it looks like. I got some tape, some paper, because we don't want to be messy. I got a little rolling kit, basic rolling kit. Going back again, I'm just doing it very cheap because I am going to be adding stone down the road. So it's just something quick so that it blends in with my whole living room theme. If you did not watch my previous video, I did do a home decor video, which is the video before. You guys could check that out. Now I'm gonna talk a little bit about my chimney and what I want. So I want it white with some beige. I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter, but those black bricks that you guys see on there, I'm actually gonna leave them black because I like it. I like how it just, I don't know, it's a cute little soft touch to it. So let's see how this goes. Wish me luck, you guys. Okay guys, so as you guys can tell, we are done prepping our chimney. So it's the fun time. It's the time to start painting. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward all of this so you can go in fast motion. I might slow down a little bit to show you guys. So without further ado, let's get started on this painting. How's it looking, guys? I think it's kind of a little too white, but we'll see. We'll see how the ending ends up looking like. Alrighty, so we're all done with the basic white rustic. I actually really like how it came out. I'm gonna add some glitter to it. Now this is a silver glitter. I don't want it to look silver because my whole living room home theme is beige, black, and yeah, beiges and blacks. So I don't want it to look silver. So I'm gonna try to mix it in with the white and just kind of go over it so I can have some sparkle, some texture to it. We'll see how it ends up. I'm gonna mix it with the leftover paint that's in here, the white. So this is super glitter. Let me see if I can zoom in. Okay, so I don't know if it actually blended. Well, it did blend. but I don't know if the glitter is like, if you're able to see it. So I feel like it is very see-through. I feel like with the white just kind of took over. So I'm gonna try in a little corner just to use my paintbrush straight from the bottle, the glitter bottle, and just throw it over and see how that goes instead of mixing it. Like this. Get it from here. So yeah, I like base. So it's not silver, which is good. I'm gonna add it to the black tiles. That was a fail. Guys, this is the final result. This is how it ended up looking. I'm in love with how it came out. It just makes everything go so well, just blend. It is a little bit maybe too white, but it's so perfect. I love it. I'm happy with my result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up. I appreciate every one of my supporters. Thank you guys so much for just taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, so go ahead and leave it in the section down below and I'll be sure to answer those. Thank you guys so much for watching my DIY and we'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.